Hello children, shall we revise the alphabet? A for apple. A makes A. B for ball. B makes B. C for cat. C makes K. D for daddy. D makes D. E for egg. E makes E. F for fish. F makes F. G for goat. G makes G. H for horse. H makes H. I for igloo. I makes E. J for jump. J makes J. K for kite. K makes K. L for lollipop. L makes L. M for monkey. M makes M. N for nest. N makes N. O for owl. O makes O. P for parrot. P makes P. Q for quiet. Q makes Qu. R for rabbit. R makes R. S for snake. S makes S. T for tap. T makes T. U for under. U makes A. V for voice. V makes V. W for watch. W makes W. X for X-ray. X makes X. Y for York. Y makes Y. Z for zebra. Z makes Z. Subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.